Okay, so welcome to my channel. A little recap of the last couple months. I am single. I lived by myself for 6 years. I moved out and I moved back home to my family's house. For the first time, this is like my 17th time living here throughout my life, but for the first time I actually have the full upstairs to myself. So I thought, why not start completely fresh, tear everything up, tear everything apart, and redo this how I want it. But really, I'm going to be transforming the whole upstairs into something completely different. It's going to be a lot of color. It's going to be a total vibe. So make sure you like the video and subscribe and stuff, because there's a lot going on. Like, for instance, we're painting that today. The closet is finally getting painted, but let me show you guys around so you guys can see what I'm working with. So basically, that right there is the front door, and you walk up the stairs and you enter my little domain here. So this is the hallway. As you see, it's painted. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like before I painted. This is the hallway up here. So the paint that I used, I got from Lowe's, and yes, I did do this paint job myself. The paint that I used is from Valspar. It is the signature paint. I'll write on the screen what color it is, but it's a pretty pink, and that's how it's looking so far. And then to the right, we have my room, which is going through it right now. I'm barely in here because there's nowhere to sit, and I have painting to do, furniture to buy. I threw out all my furniture, so I'm starting completely fresh with this. But it has this, I would say, like a purple based blue in here, and all of this will be white. So probably in the next couple of videos you're gonna see me redo this whole room. I did rip up the carpet, so you guys probably see the carpet when I first moved in. So I did rip up the carpet in here and in the hallway. So this is going to be my bedroom. We have one window over here, and this is the closet. So this is the closet, and it actually runs pretty deep. It's a very clean slate. Floors are going to be completely different, and the paint is going to change this room a lot. When you re-enter the hallway, to the left is a closet over here, which is mirrored and broken. We'll get that fixed in the future, but this is the closet, the hallway closet, and it's pretty long and high, and the carpet needs to be changed. This will be like a coat closet slash a closet I'm going to use to just hold stuff pretty much. Then to the right we have the bathroom. So it is a full bathroom with a tub. Even the bathroom, as you can see, there's so much paint on the walls, paint swatches, but all of this will be changed too. I'm gonna do a cute little, not remodel, but you know, I'm gonna change the paint. We're gonna paint the vanity, painting, you know, the mirrors. We're gonna switch out all the hardware, so it's gonna be completely different in here. And then the shower. Oh, maybe I should turn the light on. I don't know why I haven't been turning the light on. Okay, obviously keeping the tile, but we're gonna paint all this blue out of here because the blue is done. No more dark, no more that color blue. It's gonna be a different blue, but. And then this room, this is a special room here. This room is occupied by all this furniture that is leaving. This is going, that's staying and being painted, and this is going also. But this room is going to be a studio slash room for me and my girls slash just a hangout chill room, plus like an art studio. Like, it's going to be a lot, but it's going to be really fun in here. I have so many ideas for this room. This is what the carpet looked like in the other rooms and in the hallway. This carpet is coming up also, so it'll be a cohesive flooring throughout. And this is a closet we're focusing on today. This is not just going to be your basic closet with clothes hung up. This is going to be, I don't know, something. It's going to be a mix of things in here. Let's turn the light on. See. Okay, all right, there we go. So we're painting this closet the same pink that's in the hallway. You can see there's a little swatch on the wall over there. But this is what we're going to be painting today. I might throw a little vanity in this closet with the mirrors on the wall. There might be some wallpaper action in the near future. So definitely stay tuned. But today we're going to paint and see how it looks pink, that pink in here. It's going to be fun. So as you see, we have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. But yeah, let's paint this closet. Let me finish taping the closet and then we'll paint it. Okay, so I'm just now seeing how bad this wall is up here and how bad it needs to be spackled. Obviously I can't paint that. I'm gonna have to spackle it. I'm gonna see if there's any spackle in the house. If there's not, then I'm just gonna paint everything else in here and then we'll get back to that. But I really want to get this paint done today, at least most of this closet painted, so I'm not like wasting a day. Okay, so here's what we're going to use. I got a new plastic cover for the tray. I'm going to reuse these. I did clean them and I had them dry from my last paint. So we are going to open this up and assemble this. First coat is done. Not bad, a little splotchy, but it's the first coat, so that's usually how it looks. Well, for me. I'm not a professional. I'm just, you know, don't mind doing a couple things myself. I did get some paint up there, right there, which aggravates me, but it's fine. So I'm gonna do a second coat and we'll see how it looks. It's done. Well, not all the way done, obviously, but the paint is done. Looks nice and saturated, right guys? Except for that, you know, we still gotta get back to her. But this is how the second coat looks. If you're seeing this white dot, it's just this, but this is how the second coat looks. Not bad. Not bad at all. Still in love with the color, so it's very fun. And this with the acrylic and the white accessories and furniture going in there. Oh, see how it's coming together? And this wall is going to be this white. So imagine pink, white, pink. It's going to look so good. Already looks good. I'm already in love with the color. Tell me what you guys feel about the color. But yeah, the next step, what's after this? After this, we're going to start working in this room back here, my bedroom, and we're going to start, you can see the light, we're going to start painting that white. I think I've chosen the white that I want to use, but I'm very indecisive, so we'll see. But that's what's going to be next. But yeah, I'm so excited to finish this closet. It's going to be great. Vloggity, whatever this is, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.